everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Now, if we go to a bakery, the first thing that's very obvious or the first thing that we see is a Tutti Frutti cake. Now, this is commonly found everywhere, and today I'm going to show you a wonderful and easy eggless Tutti Frutti cake recipe that you can make at home. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So first I'm going to dust the Tutti Frutti with the flour.
I've taken about 100 grams of mixed Tutti Frutti to a bowl. Add half tablespoon of flour and just mix it gently. So just make sure all the Tutti Frutti is coated with the flour. So next I'm going to sieve all the dry ingredients. Using a 250 ml measuring cup, I've taken 1.5 cups of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. To this add half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Sieve the dry ingredients and keep it aside. So next I'm going to mix the wet ingredients. For this, to a bowl add 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Next add 3/4 cup of curd or yogurt. So now you can mix the curd and sugar nicely using a whisk. So make sure all the sugar is dissolved. Next I'm going to add half cup of melted butter. This is unsalted butter, and whisk everything together. So now you can see it's all well combined. It's become nice and creamy and thick. Next I'm going to add the dry ingredients in 2 parts. Add half of the flour first. Mix it well using a spatula. Now add the remaining flour and mix it all in. Make sure it's all well combined. This is a very simple cake. You can make it in minutes with very simple ingredients. Next add 1/4 cup of milk. This is boiled and cooled milk. So after adding the milk, mix everything together till it's all well combined. So now you can see you've got a nice smooth and creamy batter. It's got a nice pouring consistency. So if you feel your batter is too thick, you can just add a little bit of milk to get the right consistency. Now the batter is ready. Just add the Tutti Frutti and mix it all in. I've lined the cake tin with butter paper and dusted with flour. Pour the prepared batter into the tin. Spread it out evenly. Just gently tap it to release any of the air bubbles present. So just add a little Tutti Frutti on top. This is going to be your final touch. Preheat the oven for 15 minutes to 180 degrees centigrade. We're going to bake this at 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see the Tutti Frutti cake looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see this lovely rich golden color on top. Remove the cake from the tin, remove the butter paper. The Tutti Frutti cake is ready to be served. You can see how soft, fluffy and spongy it is. Wow, it makes for a perfect snack. You can serve it for tea time or just any time. Kids will love it. In fact, my family members, they all loved it. I've made it 2 to 3 times already. So I'm serving this delicious, fluffy, eggless Tutti Frutti cake with some nice tea by the side. You can enjoy it however you like.
So here is a very simple and delicious Tutti Frutti cake recipe that you can enjoy anytime. For cake lovers like myself, I think I'm going to really enjoy this with a nice cup of tea by the side. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.